pharmacy students in Progressive Education Society, Modern College of Pharmacy, Yamunanagar, Nigdi, Pune, for the purpose of online education learning system. Today we discuss on the subject of pharmaceutical analysis. I, Dr. Vitthal Chopde, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Progressive Education Society, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. Chapter number 1. The name of topic is Quality Assurance. The syllabus of Quality Assurance chapter is Introduction, Sources of Quality Variations, Control of Quality Variations. This syllabus is specially designed for third year pharmacy students in Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. Friends, today we will discuss in the detail of syllabus that control of quality variations, because during the manufacturing of the pharmaceutical products there may chances to arise the impurities in the products. So before enter that product into the market, we have to check the quality of the products. So different method for to check the quality of the products that may be divided into the different categories. Number 1, test for purities. Different official tests are available in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. We can check that all tests. Like number 1, clarity of the solution. We have to check the clarity of the solution of pharmaceutical products. Here we have to fill the solution in transparent container, and we have to check whether the solution is purely clear or not. Second one, color of the solution. Whatever color we have chosen during the manufacturing process, that color should be stable till the expiry date of the product. So we have to choose the color, and we have to test the color of the solution. Then acidity, alkalinity and pH of the solution. These three factors are very important, and that directly affect on the therapeutic value of the pharmaceutical products. So we have to check the acidity of the solution. The acid should not be increase or decrease of the pharmaceutical product. It should be maintained as per whatever pH we have been made. Loss on drawing. So this test we can perform by keeping the product for drying purpose in the different temperature, and we can check the assay of the compound. Loss of ignition. Few herbal products are available, and few raw materials are need to resources from the herbal products. In that case we have to perform the loss of ignition test. This is a very important parameter in case of especially the herbal products. Then moisture content. This is the very important factor. Whether the products, when the products is come in contact with the environment, there should not be create the moisture surrounded by the compound. That we have to test, and if the moisture is arise, we cannot choose that products, or we have to take care while the manufacturing of the products. Then ash value. In case of the herbal or ayurvedic formulation, we have to check the ash value of the products. We have to calculate the ash value of the products, and that ash value should be matched with the standard ash value of the pharmaceutical products. Then insoluble constituents and the residue, that we have to check. It's depend on the solubility of the products, that also available in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then second category is organic impurities. There may be chances of organic impurities arise in the pharmaceutical products, and we have to check it before the finalize the products. Example are specific cation and the anion. So each and every compound having the charges of cationic and anionic. So we have to check it. There may chances to the exchangement of the cation and the anion, replacement of the cation and the anion in the pharmaceutical products, that it should be the specific in nature. Then few toxic metal and pesticides may be the arise due to the sources of impurities that we have to check, that come under the category of organic impurities. Few related substances are there, means those substances having the similar structure that may be the obtained, and they show the similar spectra of that organic compound, that we have to check, that is a come under the test of related substances. Few physical methods are there that we can check the color, odor and taste of the pharmaceutical products. Then if it is a solid compound, we have to check the melting point, and if melting point is vary, we can come in a conclusion that so there may be the compound impure. If it is a liquid in nature, so we have to check the boiling point of the compound, and the boiling point of compound should be similar as per the given in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then refractive index, it is a major factor that we can be calculate for the storage condition of the pharmaceutical products or selection of the container for putting the pharmaceutical products, that we have to pass the rays in the different media, and on that base we can calculate the refractive index of the formulation. Then density of the compound, that also depend on the viscosity of the compound, or we can call the how much drug content is available, and as per the sedimentation rate, it may be the vary. Optical rotation also we can be check by using some polarimeter, and we can conclude that there should not be the unwanted rotation, so dextro or levo rotations are obtained in case of the optical rotations. Viscosity also we can be calculated, is depend on the thickness of the compound. Then swelling index, so that we can be tested by putting the drug into the water, and the each and every compound have their own swelling properties, so that is very important parameter when drug is come in contact with the water. And finally is the assay. Assay means to find out the percentage purity of the compound, how much quantity of the compound is available, that we can be calculated by performing the assay. Few are very outline tests are there that must be the performed regularly, because that ions or elements are arise in the raw material as well as the excipient as well as the active ingredient. So we must be check the few major tests, that is a limit test for chloride, limit test for sulfate, limit test for iron, limit test for heavy metal, limit test for arsenic, that we must be perform the regularly. And all tests and standards are given in the pharmaceutical books. We can call them as some authenticate books like Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, European Pharmacopoeia. All pharmacopoeias we can be refer for calculating the impurity of the substance, limitation of the impurity of the substance, purity of the substance, what are the different sources for arising the impurity of the compound, and types of impurities. That all the things we will get in the official standard book. Student, today we discuss about the different tests, how to identify the impurities in the compound, and with the help of that we can be control the quality of variation in the pharmaceutical products. Thank you very much.